Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Every year on November 11th, we pause to remember the courage and sacrifice of those who served. In this video, I will show you how to set up a Remembrance Day discount in Shopify so your store can honor the day in meaningful way. Before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You'll be getting more Shopify tips. For this, I have used Next Discount app which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on create new discount and choose a discount code as the discount type. For now, I am adding remember 10 as my discount code and I am giving a percentage value of 10 and a capping amount of 100. And I can also apply this discount to all products or a specific collection or a specific products. For now, I am adding it for all the products. I can also set some minimum purchase requirement here. For now, I am not adding any minimum purchase requirement, so I am choosing the first option. In case of customer eligibility, you can just go for all customers or a customer has tag only on first order like that. So I am planning to give this offer for all the customers. I can also limit the number of times the discount can be used in total. For now, I'm planning to give this offer should be available for 100 first users. And I can also limit the use of this order per customer only one time. So here I can set the start date or an end date through which this code can be activated. Like if we are running the Remembrance Day sale only on that day, then we can set it for the one day. If we are planning to give this offer for 1 week, then we can go for that option. We can set those things here in the active dates. And I can also make this offer to be combined with product discount or a discount or a shipping discount, which are existing ones. And after adding all these details, I can save the changes. Now I am checking whether my discount code activated from the discount section. Now you can see that remember 10 is got activated. I'm copying the code from here. Now let's test this in our online store. Yeah. So I'm trying to buy a product of worth 1350 now. I'm adding it to the cart. Now I'm applying the remember 10 as my code. Now you can see that the code has been successfully applied. And a capping amount of 100 is got deducted from the MRP. We know that the 10% of 350 is 135. The capping amount ensures that the discount code will not be exceeding the given as the capping amount, which is 100. I can check with some other product now. I'm adding a product of 234 now. I'm applying the code. Now you can see that 23 is got deducted, which means the 10% of the MRP is got deducted and it's still not the 100 one. So our capping amount is 100, but it ensures that the 10% is got deducted from the MRP. And that's it. Your Remembrance Day discount is live. A simple way for your business to show gratitude and respect. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like the channel. Thanks for watching.